We're here in Philadelphia at the 2018 Automation Fair event, and this is where the top companies in industrial automation all gather in one place to show off their innovative technologies. One of those top companies is HMS Industrial Networks, and I'm here with them. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal from Rockwell Automation and our partner network magazine. I'm talking with Andrew and Vivek. So Andrew, tell us, for those who don't know, tell us what your company does.
Sure. HMS Industrial Networks, for the past 30 years or so, has been a leader in industrial networking communications, and we go to market with the Anybus, E1, and ICSAT brands.
And Vivek, there's a lot of traffic here in your booth. A lot of people are excited. What are you highlighting?
Within the E1 brand, we're really very excited, and we're focused on the fact that our E1 Flexi product, which is our data logging and IoT gateway product, now supports secure OPC UA communication. So on the OPC UA client, we have secure communication to talk to various Rockwell drives, PLCs that utilize OPC UA. On the OPC UA server side, we can now talk to Factory Talk Analytics, for example.
And security is so important. It's just growing and growing in importance. And Andrew, I hear that you have some really important announcements about the Bolt product.
Yeah, we do. So the Anybus Wireless Bolt is a very easy to integrate on-machine wireless access point. Has RJ45 on the bottom, supports power over Ethernet, and can either do WLAN or Bluetooth connectivity, and it allows the operator to not have to physically plug into his system in order to service it or maybe make a change on the program locally.
Well, that's really good for the user. There's a lot going on here in the booth, a lot of products that HMS offers that can help you, more than we can cover today. So go to the URL you see on your screen to find out how they can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2018 Automation Fair. See you next time.